All right, let's talk about a course that's going to help you crush Class 11 chemistry. Feeling a bit overwhelmed by Class 11 chemistry, especially with big exams coming up? Well, think of this course as your friendly guide through all that complexity. It's all set up step by step, so you build a really solid foundation. Let's see how. The whole thing is broken down into a simple 4-step journey, totally manageable. First up, you'll get a solid grip on the basics, the absolute building blocks of chemistry. Then we dive into the why, like how atoms bond and what makes reactions actually happen. Next, you'll get to know the element families and discover what makes each one special. And finally, we'll explore the amazing world of carbon and its impact on our environment. So what's the goal here? It's not just memorizing stuff, it's about really understanding it. What's so cool is how the course takes tricky topics and just makes them make sense. You'll start seeing how chemistry works in real life, connecting the dots all around you. Okay, so you're ready to build that foundation, right? Now for the best part. That's right, this entire course, it costs you absolutely nothing. It's free. It's perfect for beginners. You get 14 lectures, and you have lifetime access. What this all means is you have a clear path to success. It's all laid out for you. So, are you ready to stop feeling lost and start feeling confident? Go on,